this Flowblade tutorial I will show you how to create fast or slow motion video clips. I've assumed you have a basic understanding of editing in Flowblade. A link to my beginner's tutorial is included in the description below for those that don't. Other tutorials can be found in my playlists. Okay, well, I've brought this clip into Flowblade. Now, one thing you don't want to do initially is actually create a proxy clip of your video that you're going to edit. What I would do is speed it up or slow it down before editing it. So to speed up or slow down a video clip, all you need to do is just right click on the video clip and then left click render slow fast motion file and left click on this. So if you wanted to speed up your video clip, say twice the speed, in the box it says 100, literally type in 200, or you can change it to whatever speed you want to try and create. If you want to slow it down, original setting was 100, so to slow it down half speed, type in 50. And once you've done that, decide whether you want to give it a new title. So if I render this one, I'll just call it, I don't know, give it a title that'll do. Decide where you're going to save it. So for ease, I'll just save this on my desktop, and also try and match it up to the format if you can that it's originally your clip is filmed in. So I'm going to left click where it says target encoding. I'm going to left click on the little arrow and left click H.264. Headers may work just as well, but I would try and match it as near as you can to the original format. Now all you need to do now is just left click on render and wait for this render in motion clip to finish. I'll come back when it's finished. Okay, well, when it's finished rendering, you'll end up with another video clip actually in your media panel here. Now you can now go ahead and edit it or convert it into a proxy clip and then edit it. So you could drag it into your timeline and actually now edit your clip. Or if you don't want to edit it, you will actually have somewhere your actual clip already in the folder where you saved it. And that basically is all there is to it. Hopefully this helps somebody. Thank you for watching. Cheers.